What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shuan and for today we'll be making a carrot cake. Now, this is not your ordinary or your traditional carrot cake because for today we'll not be baking it in an oven and we'll not be using the cream cheese frosting. Instead, we'll be using a chocolate frosting and we'll be baking it on a stovetop in a skillet pan. So this is for those who do not have any ovens at home. This is your answer. If you think you cannot do a cake or you cannot bake a cake, then think again because you can. Let me show you how you can make a carrot cake, a very simple recipe with very simple ingredients that you can do at home. So before we begin, if you are not subscribed yet to my channel, please do so by clicking the link down below, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you can be updated on when I post a new video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Now, just a disclaimer, I'm not a professional chef or cook or even a baker. All the recipes that I've learned from watching on YouTube or on Pinterest, they are just guidelines for me. But at the end of the day, all the dishes, all the foods that I make or cook or bake, I make it my own. So I hope you can learn from this video for today, and without further ado, let's begin baking. Oh, cooking, I mean. For our ingredients, you will need 3/4 cup vegetable oil or coconut oil, 1 cup brown sugar, 3 whole eggs, 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoon of baking soda, and 1½ teaspoon of baking powder. Then 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. About 2 cups of grated carrots, and lastly 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, for the first step, we'll be mixing all the dry ingredients first. So, using a sifter, we need to sift the dry ingredients para yung mga buo-buo hindi sumama dun sa ating batter. So, we'll be putting the 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, then put in the 1½ teaspoon of baking powder and 1½ teaspoon of baking soda. Then add in the 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is just a sea salt. Once all the ingredients are in, you can start to sift everything. Now set this aside. Next, you'll mix the 3/4 cup vegetable oil or coconut oil with the 3 whole eggs, along with 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and the 1 cup of brown sugar. Then just whisk them all together. Once that mixed all together, you can pour in the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Then just stir them all together. Then you can add in the grated carrots. Gently fold the carrots with the batter. Okay, there you go. Our batter is ready. Now let's just prepare this for cooking. For this, we'll be using about a 10-inch skillet Then we will just line this with parchment paper para hindi dumikit yung cake natin sa ilalim. Kasi usually, pag magluluto ka, diba, ang unang nasusunog here is yung bottom, diba? So, para maiwasan natin yan, maglalagay tayo ng parchment paper. So, magpahatiin lang natin yung parchment. Sasakto lang dun sa ating pan. So, yan. Hindi na natin kailangan anuhan ng oil yan or butter kasi may oil naman na yung ating batter. So, next, we'll just pour it all in. So, yan na siya. Ngayon, tatakpan nyo lang siya. Then, you'll bake it in the stove for up to 40 minutes on a low heat lang. Tingnan-tingnan nyo din. Check it from time to time using a toothpick. Anuhin nyo lang yung gitna para ma-check nyo kung luto na siya or wala nang nag-i-stick dun sa toothpick na bread or batter. So, yun na siya guys. Tinakpan na natin and we'll check it again after 15 minutes. Okay guys, mga 15 minutes nang nakalipas. So, let's try to check the cake. With a toothpick. So, konti pa kasi medyo sumasama pa yung batter. Very low heat na lang to. Sinet ko na lang sa hot pot yung aking stove function. Then, naka 6 degrees na lang siya. So, let's check again after 10 minutes or so. Okay guys, check ulit natin. Makikita nyo yung ibabaw medyo umumbok na, di ba? So, let's do the toothpick test again. Medyo malambot pa, dito pa lang. Let's bake it for another 10 minutes. Okay, let's do the toothpick test again. Turn off the stove, then just wait for it to cool down. Hayaan nyo lang siya nakaganyan. It's okay. Naka-open lang siya. Now we will start doing the chocolate frosting. Habang hinihintay natin lumamig yung ating cake. Diba? Saktong-sakto lang yung pagka-brown ano niya, ibabaw. Perfect. Well, di masyado makita. Pero, kung nakikita niyo itong gilid, ganyan siya all around talaga. Yung pagka-brown niya. Na anuhan lang kasi ng liwanag dito. So, medyo hindi halata. But if you see on the side, talagang golden brown siya. Saktong-sakto lang. And talagang kahit yung gitna. Walang sumasama na butter. Talagang pag tinutuhog ko din siya as in fluffy cake na siya. Okay, let's cool it down na. Okay guys, for the chocolate frosting, we'll be needing about 1 bar of Goya dark chocolate, about 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and about 2 tablespoons of butter. Chocolate bar. Konti lang kailangan natin for this. Ganun talaga. Mainit pa yung kalan natin. So, hindi ko na siya inon. Hayaan na lang natin mag-melt. yung butter tsaka yung chocolate together. Wala siyang milk or water na nilagay. Just pure butter and chocolate lang siya. Para mas malapot yung consistency ng ating magiging frosting. Haluin nyo lang, consistent lang yung paghahalo para hindi dumikit dun sa ating bowl. Pag napansin nyo ng tunaw na yung chocolate, you can remove it from the stove. So, ito na siya. Hayaan nyo na lang siyang lumamig din. Tapos mamaya, iaano natin siya dun sa ibabaw ng ating carrot cake. Okay, naglagay na ako ng ating cake wrap. Lagyan na natin dito yung ating carrot cake para mas lumamig siya. Tapos, maglagay kayo ng plato sa ilalim. Tapos, hayaan nyo lang siyang lumamig pa. Pag medyo malamig na siya, then you can pour in the chocolate, frosting. Hindi ganun karamihan to ha, so talagang lang siya. Excited ako.
20 minutes later.
Okay guys, let's try to put in the chocolate frosting natin. Well, it will look like lang naman. Parang glazing lang natin. Hindi siya yung fully covered. So, let's see kung paano natin ito maano. Yan, lang natin siyang matuyo. Kaya magiging design niya. So here it is guys, our carrot cake with chocolate frosting. Lumamig na siya. Okay lang yung medyo, yung ilalim niya, medyo, makikita nyo, parang medyo konting na siya, na toast, but that's fine. Kasi hindi nyo talaga may iwasan yun pag binake nyo siya sa stove lang. Kasi hindi nyo makokontrol yung temperature and talagang mabilis masunog yung nasa ilalim. Kasi nasa ilalim lang yung cake niya. Okay, so, here's the moment of truth. Let's cut it. So, ito na siya guys, sa ating carrot cake. So, tikman na natin. Tama-tama lang. Ang hab ng bumaga yung chocolate dun sa natin, cake natin. In all fairness, hindi siya halatang carrot cake. Para na siyang chocolate cake kung makikita niyo yung gilid. Parang banana bread. Chocolate pa ata ko. So that's it guys. That's our carrot cake with chocolate frosting. I hope you like this video. If you do, please click on the thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. And hit on the notification bell so you can be updated on when I post a new video. And follow me on Instagram at mycirclesweetlife. Thanks again guys for watching and I see you on my next vlog. Bye!